Omicron. What is Omicron? You have to know some important information about the Omicron. Things you need to know about the new COVID variant. Omicron is a new COVID variant. What is it? It is a new heavily mutated coronavirus variant, also known as B11529. It is now designated as a variant of concern by WHO. When was Omicron first detected? The earliest sample was detected on 11 November 2021 in Botswana. Why are we worried about it? Omicron has more than 30 mutations on its spike protein phase, that's more than double what's carried by Delta, raising concerns if prior infections still provide some immunity. Is it more transmissible? It's not yet clear. However, within 2 weeks of its detection, it has outpaced Delta to become the main strain in Gauteng, where there is a surge of cases. Its RO value is 1.93 as compared to Delta 1.47. Will vaccines work against it? Yes, most likely. A crucial objective remains to increase vaccination rates. Should updated vaccines be developed, these will also be used as guided by WHO. What about drugs? Currently, oxygen and dexamethasone have been saving lives. There is, however, very exciting data coming from two antivirals, Molnupiravir and Favipiravir. Omicron COVID variant symptoms, cause, precaution and treatment. Omicron COVID variant symptoms. On 24 November 2021, Wednesday, a new COVID variant was identified in South Africa. The new COVID variant is named Omicron. WHO or World Health Organization has designated the new COVID variant as the variant of concern. After knowing that a new variant of COVID has been identified, the whole world is not panicking about this. Through this article, you will get the detailed information about the Omicron COVID variants. We have taken all the details about this variant of concern from a trustable source like WHO. Omicron COVID variant. Research from all over the world is now in finding this COVID variant. Actually, they are conducting various studies in order to understand this variant of concern. On 26th November 2021, Friday, the variant of COVID was named as Omicron by the World Health Organization's TAG-VE or Technical Advisory Group on Virus Evolution. The new variant of COVID is also named as B11529. In South Africa, since last week, the COVID cases has increased steeply. The growth in cases is because of the new SARS-CoV-2 variant B11529. The first case of this COVID variant was found from a specimen on 9 November 2021. Omicron COVID variant symptoms. Symptoms for the new COVID variant Omicron are given below. Note, symptoms are classified in most common symptoms, less common symptoms and serious symptoms. Most common symptoms. Most common symptoms for the new COVID variant Omicron are fever, cough, tiredness, loss of taste or smell. Less common symptoms. Less common symptoms for the new COVID variant Omicron are sore throat, headache, pains, diarrhea, rash on skin, discoloration of fingers, red or irritated eyes. Serious symptoms of Omicron. Serious symptoms for the new COVID variant Omicron are difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, loss of speech or mobility or confusion or chest pain. If anyone has any of these symptoms, then she should urgently take the COVID test. After the detection of a new variant of COVID, the WHO has advised the country and every individual to follow the SOPs, standard operating protocols. The WHO has published the advice on its official website who.int for countries and individuals. In an article that was published on 28 November 2021 on who.int, it is mentioned that it is not yet clear whether Omicron is more transmissible, example, more easily spread from person to person compared to other variants. It may be more transmissible. Studies are ongoing in order to get transmissible details. Virus, coronavirus, variant Omicron B11529, detected in South Africa, detected on 24 November 2021. Variant type, variant of concern. The COVID variant Omicron has a large number mutation. That is why the whole world is in fear of this variant. As of 2 December 2021, not a single case of Omicron has been detected in India yet. This is all about the important information about the Omicron new variant